A Valley native who's in the U.S. Air Force is coming home to bring some much-needed medical help to her community. Colonel Nicole Hurley is bringing free medical services to Ellwood City. Operation Healthy Ellwood is a Department of Defense medical training mission that'll provide health services starting next week at Lincoln High School. She joins us now to tell us more about this. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so what kind of medical services will you provide to the public during this 9-day mission?
So we will be having medical doctors and specialists that will provide medical evaluations. We do have a small formulary that we are able to prescribe some medications. We're going to have dental evaluations. We'll be able to do exams, fillings, extractions. We'll have optometrists that will be able to do an eye exam. We can provide you with a prescription that you can take to get contacts or eyeglasses, but then the Navy will be on site and we will be able to fabricate a pair of glasses for you. We'll also have behavioral health specialists that will be able to do an evaluation and provide some community resources, and then we will have veterinarian services that will be doing wellness checks for your dogs and cats, and they're able to prescribe prescriptions, anything that you can get online at an online pharmacy similar to Chewy, they're able to provide that prescription. So a lot of your preventative medications, your flea, tick, heartworm, those types of medications can get covered.
Wow, well, it sounds like a great resource. You even mentioned pets, so I'm sure a lot of people would like to take advantage of this. And I understand this is a free service, but do people need to show if they have Medicaid, or do they have to be a resident of the area?
Yeah, this is no cost services. And so we don't ask for ID. We don't ask for insurance. We don't even ask for your name. The only time we would ever ask for your name is if we have glasses for you to pick up. But other than that, we don't require any information from you other than you filling out a medical history for us to provide some information to our providers.
Now, so what are the costs associated? You mentioned low cost. Are there any free services, or what costs can people expect?
So there is no cost. It is no cost to the community. This is a Department of Defense funded initiative. This allows us to do our training. We are reservists and guardsmen who come out. When you hear people as reservists, they talk about their 1 weekend a month and 2 weeks out of the year. Well, this is our 2 weeks out of the year. And this is an opportunity for us to simulate a deployed environment where all 4 branches of the military can come together. We'll have Army, Navy, Air Force, and Marines, and we'll be able to work in this simulated joint environment. And that is where we get our training. We're also able to work on our equipment that we use in a deployed environment. It allows us to do this. But we are experienced providers from all over the country that are going to be coming in. We all have practices. We're all in the civilian world. We're doctors, optometrists, dentists, nurses, behavioral health specialists, technicians. We all do this in our civilian world. And so our training really comes into play in that joint environment. We get an opportunity to meet and train with those other branches that we sometimes don't get to do. And so this is a great opportunity for this. And then the benefit is that we get to help a medically underserved community.
Yeah, absolutely. Hopefully lots of people take advantage of this. The Operation Healthy Ellwood will be open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Lincoln High School from July 23rd to the 26th and from July 28th to August 1st. Colonel Hurley, we appreciate your time. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.